the Milky Way is on the move. One of the most fascinating truths about our galaxy is that it's not sitting still. The Milky Way is hurtling through space at an astonishing speed of about 1.3 million miles per hour, driven by the gravitational pull of nearby galaxies and a mysterious force called the Great Attractor. This invisible region of immense gravitational influence is pulling our galaxy and its neighbors toward it. Our motion isn't just about speed, it's part of a much larger dance. The Milky Way is part of a local group of galaxies including Andromeda and dozens of smaller galaxies all bound together by gravity. Together, this group is moving within the Virgo Supercluster, an even larger collection of galaxies. The scale of these movements is almost incomprehensible, with distances measured in millions of light-years. What's even more incredible is that while the Milky Way races through the cosmos, its stars and planets, including our solar system, are also rotating within the galaxy. Our solar system completes one orbit around the galactic core every 225 million years, a journey scientists call a galactic year. This means the last time Earth was in its current position, dinosaurs roamed the planet. The galaxy's motion through space isn't something you can feel, but it's a constant reminder of how dynamic and interconnected the universe is. Understanding this movement helps astronomers map the cosmos and unravel the forces that shape it.